Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something very different. We're gonna do a cooking recipe. This recipe is from the Buddhist Chef, and this is a vegan recipe, which I will link in the description box below. So you're gonna be using coconut milk, turmeric, curry powder, salt, and I am using grapeseed oil, onion, garlic, potatoes, carrots, green beans, and some mix lentils. We chopped and washed. Everything's good. So we're gonna put the garlic and our onions into the pan with some oil, and we're gonna saute this until they kind of get golden but kind of transparent. Yeah, so we're gonna wait until that. We're gonna be adding some ginger, and obviously when you saute this is going to give that soup the nice good flavorness that, it's just gonna give it so much flavor. So you're gonna saute this until kind of golden, And like I said, this original recipe, I got it off on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I've been cooking this recipe for I think 5-10 times already since I found this recipe, and every time I cook it with something different. I add in more veggies. I add in this time I am adding the mixed beans, the mixed lentils. Yeah, and it came out green, and on my Instagram you will see that every time I cook it, it comes out yellow because of the mixed beans. My soup came out green, but it still was delicious. Sorry for the spoiler, but yeah, I added a little bit of drizzle of oil again because I wanted them to kind of get coated and get all that flavor. So yeah, and this also is gonna make the veggies kind of soft but really good. I am adding my canned, and then I am gonna be adding my mixed beans. So I just washed them. I washed them. I did not soak them. So yeah, just give it a little stir, mix everything well, and then I am gonna be adding the coconut milk. For the coconut milk, I used half of my gallon or my quarts. I used half of the milk. So yeah, and I added 3 cups of water. You can, like I said, you can add veggie broth or chicken broth. If you want it vegan friendly, go with the veggie broth or water. It gives it the best flavor. I am gonna go with 2 teaspoons of curry powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, which because turmeric is very strong. So yeah, and you're just gonna give it a little stir just to dissolve the powder. Just stir it. And honestly, this soup reminds you if I'm into plantation. I don't know, here in California, we have this restaurant called Soup Plantation, and it's basically vegan/vegetarian friendly, and it's just an amazing restaurant. Me and my family would go every Sunday to eat there, and since this has happened, we can't go out, and it just reminds you of Soup Plantation. And then I added about a teaspoon of salt. Stirred it in, and I am using sea salt. This reminds you of Soup Plantation, and my house smells really good. It smells exactly like Soup Plantation. And this recipe is gonna take you about 45 minutes. With the mixed beans, it took me about 45 minutes. Yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoy this, and if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment if you guys like more of these videos. Let me know. Thank you. I love you all, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.